Listen, point, and repeat. Go fishing.
Go fishing.
Go sailing.
Go sailing.
Go windsurfing.
Go windsurfing.
Play chess.
Play chess.
Play board games.
Play board games.
Play computer games.
Play computer games.
Build a robot.
Build a robot.
Dress up.
Dress up.
Knit.
Knit.
Sew.
Sew.
Skip.
Skip.
Kick.
Kick. So all these are hobbies. Go fishing, go sailing, go windsurfing, play chess, play board games, play computer games, build a robot, dress up, knit, sew, skip, kick. So, I ask and you answer. What is number 3? Go windsurfing. What is number 11? Skip. What's number 7? Build a robot. What's number 5? Play board games. What's number 2? Go sailing. What about number 9? Knit. What's number 12? Kick. What's number 1? Go fishing. What about number 7? Build a robot.